Here are 5 travel hacks for international trips. 1. Use a VPN for better deals. Prices for flights, hotels, and car rentals can vary based on your location. Use a VPN to change your location and potentially find better deals. 2. Download offline maps. Before you travel, download offline maps of your destination on apps like Google Maps. This way, you can navigate without needing an internet connection. 3. Currency conversion apps. Use a reliable currency conversion app to avoid getting overcharged. Apps like XE Currency provide real-time exchange rates and can be used offline. 4. Photocopy important documents. Make photocopies or take pictures of important documents, passport, visa, travel insurance, etc., and store them separately from the originals. This can be a lifesaver if your documents are lost or stolen. 5. Portable charger and adapter. Carry a portable charger to keep your devices powered up, and bring a universal travel adapter to ensure your electronics can be charged anywhere.